Hey guys, welcome back to AIM. So guys, in this video we are going to learn another non-conventional machining process which is known as the laser beam machining process. So guys, in this video we'll check out the working principle of the laser beam machining. We'll check out the what kind of the equipments which is used over here to carry out this laser beam machining process. Also we'll check out the step-by-step working process of laser beam machining. Also we'll check out the applications where it is used, this kind of machining. Also we'll check out the advantages and disadvantages of laser beam machining. So guys, this also process also termed as a LBM. So guys, before going to our today's topic, I request you to please subscribe to my educational channel AIM, which is focused on the engineering aspirants. So guys, also please press this bell icon so you'll get notifications instantly whenever I upload a new video. So guys, let's begin with our today's topic, that is the LBM, laser beam machining process. So guys, the laser beam machining process is a non-traditional type of the machining process, which is a thermal machining process that uses the laser beam to produce heat. And guys, that produced heat is used to remove from the surface of the workpiece. Is used to remove the metal from the surface of the workpiece due to the vaporization, basically. So guys, over here the advantages is that over here no physical tool is used. Metallic and non-metallic workpieces can be machined very smoothly, and over here cutting and drilling operation can be carried out very smoothly over here in this process. So guys, let's talk about the working principle of the laser beam machining process. So guys, first of all, the term laser, which is used over here. The laser is nothing but the light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. So guys, whenever an atom, or we can call it as atom, is exposed to the outwards energy source, or we can call it as exposed to the energy, the electrons absorbs the energy from the outermost energy source. So guys, these electrons, which are in its original energy levels, jumps to the high energy level after absorbing the energy. So after absorbing the energy, this electron becomes unstable and it's released back the absorbed energy in terms of photons, basically. So and this particular electron comes back to its original state. So guys, if an atom which is already at the higher energy level absorbs the energy, it will emit double energy in return and return to its original state. The energy emitted by the atom has the same frequency and wavelength as that of the stimulated energy. So guys, that was the basic fundamental behind the laser. So that is, the electron absorbs energy and it gives back up the energy. So that is basically the basic fundamental of the laser. So guys, the laser materials over here, which is the main key role, which is the main part over here, that is the laser material which absorbs the energy from the energy source, that is at some extent absorbs energy at some extent, and it releases it when it reaches its absorbing capacity and absorbing limit, basically. So guys, over here the high amplified light beam is produced, which is known as laser. So guys, over here this you can clearly see this image, how the laser gets formed. So guys, this machining process works on the basic property of laser. So guys, the laser beam is produced by emitting the photons, basically. This laser workpiece is in the form of narrow monochromatic high intense light, and when that light can cut or machine any of the complex metal and non-metal, basically it can cut any material irrespective of its hardness, basically. So if it is hardened part like diamond, we can easily cut the diamond by using this laser beam machining process. So basically that was the principle. Let's check out the what kind of the equipments which is used in LBM process. So guys, just like the rest of the non-conventional machining, the first one and very essential is the power supply. So guys, the power supply provides the energy for excitation of the electrons from the low energy level to the higher energy level, basically. So guys, this power supply is connected to the flash lamps. So this laser material is exposed to the light. Basically the light is emitted by the flash lamps over here, which keeps storing the light energy, these flash lamps, which is provided on the both sides. The next one is the laser discharge tube. So in this image you can clearly see this tube. So guys, the laser material is filled inside that particular tube. So guys, its one side is partially transparent for emitting out the laser, and other side is 100% reflected. So next one is the laser material. So guys, laser material is very important factor which plays a key role over here in this particular process. So that is the CO2 which is used, that is the pulsed or continuous waves, or Nd:YAG, which can be used as a laser material. So guys, the CO2 which is used over here in this laser material, which emits the light in the infrared region basically, and it can provided up to 25 kilowatt of power in a continuous wave mode, and 5 kilowatt something in the normal wave mode or discontinuous wave mode. The Nd:YAG, which is also called as neodymium doped yttrium aluminum garnet, which is Nd:YAG, which is its commercial name. It is a solid state laser basically, and it can deliver the light through the optical fiber cables. Basically it can deliver the light through the optical fiber. The 50 kilowatts of the power it can provide in the form of this pulsed mode, 50 kilowatts in the form of pulsed mode, and 1 kilowatt in the form of continuous mode. So guys, that is the basically this modes are, that is the formation of the laser, that is the continuous or the pulsed. The next one and the last one is the focusing lens. So guys, this focusing lens, which is like, these are the complex convex type of lenses which is placed over here. This focusing lens is used in the laser machining operation. So the main function is to focus at the rays on the basically at a single point on the workpiece. So guys, let's check out the working of the LBM, laser beam machining process. Basically the first one is the gas gets filled inside the laser discharge tube. The gas, that is the CO2 gas basically, which is used over here in this machining process. Then the power supply gets switched on, which is connected to the flash lamps. The lamps produces the light energy, which excites the electrons of the atom, that is the laser material, which excites the laser material basically. So this leads the jump of the electrons from the lower energy level to high energy level. So guys, this is very essential, that is the energy level of the electrons. This parameter is very essential in the LBM process. So the atoms becomes unstable at high energy levels, and this energy initially blind up in the laser material. So when the atom absorbs the sufficient energy, it starts emit the energy continuously in the form of laser. So guys, this laser light is collected by the focus lens, that is the convex shaped lens, and directed towards on a point on the workpiece. So guys, the vaporization takes place due to the formation of the heat on the surface of the workpiece, and the machining occurs over here in this case. So guys, next one is the application of LBM. So laser beam machining is used to drill small diameter accurate holes, that is of about 0.005 mm in ceramics as well as in refractory materials. It is used in cutting and drilling both metals and non-metals. The most extensively used in electronic and the automotive industries, because the complex shapes we can easily cut by this LBM process. It is also widely used in aerospace industries. So it can be adopted by a lot of aerospace engineering industries. I have adopted this kind of the laser beam machining process. So guys, that was the applications. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of laser beam machining process. So guys, whenever we talk about the advantages, it can cut all the materials regardless it's of the hardness. The no tooling cost, as there is the no physical tool is required. Of course, the surface finish is very high, having high accuracy. The micro holes can be drilled very accurately and very easily over here in this case. and it can produce the complex shape geometries very easily. We can also carry out the machining on very hard or hardened material. It can be also automated. This process can be also automated. When we talk about the disadvantages, is the high initial and the high maintenance cost over here. So that is the main disadvantages over here. The laser can leads to safety hazards basically. Also the process is slow and takes a lot of time. So guys, in this video we have seen the all about the laser beam machining process. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please hit like, comment and share my video. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, AIM channel, engineering channel. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel, AIM. Thank you for watching this guys. Please subscribe.